start doing your thing and run the tests, cool deals. But
yeah,
I'm only on Discord to help. Like,
there we
I
go.
can only tell you if I'm hearing you on there.
All right, YouTube is back up.
All
Let me see what it. Let me see what I got to pull the stream up. They're probably hearing everything I'm saying now. There's not anything sharing on the screen yet. Obviously, I have nothing on the screen, sadly. All right, I can hear me. Go ahead. Somebody else speak.
Test,
There,
test.
hello.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we're good. All right. So, one more thing. Let me pull. So audio is not coming through, right? When I play audio there? I don't think so, no.
I'm not seeing anything on YouTube. Did you post a link?
Okay. Oh, you don't have...
Okay, it's just...
Here, I'll send it. That was good. I guess sending a link would be helpful, huh? Okay, let me get signed into my Ninja and get my trading view up and everything else. And then I will pull the screens up, guys, because I've got no screens. I've got no nothing currently. Yeah, so then there's that. What a disaster. I guess it's from doing that CCI cleaner.
Yeah.
I don't know. I did it over the weekend and I got signed back into everything. I did everything that I thought I should have done. But apparently it wasn't, I guess. I don't understand.
It's unusual that it would actually affect the settings. There must be something in it that is finding some kind of cookies or some kind of details that it considers to be waste.
Oh,
That's
you know what else? What about this, Paul? I put in a new... I updated my NVIDIA driver with data mattered. I did do that too.
Normally the graphics card, I don't think so. Would have that much of a major impact, but
okay, I don't know then. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did wrong, but whatever it was, apparently it doesn't like it. I don't get it. And there's gold. Grab NQ. I'm sorry, guys. This is ridiculous.
Sorry about it. Shit happens.
Let me pull up Trading View because I don't got it loaded yet. I'm just trying to get everything loaded so that and there's chat anyways. Like I said, Rumble, Kick, Twitch, they're not running. I only got YouTube running, so because I didn't want to overcomplicate it all.
We managed today just with YouTube, man.
Gold pumped, dang it. Can't believe it. Go figure. Messing with other stuff. It pumps. Still. And Trade come up. Or Trading View. Come on, Trading View. What are you doing? There we go. Finally. For some reason, my OBS has changed. I don't know what, but it's actually sending... There we go. All right. It's actually sending the alerts from Discord over my OBS, up top on my OBS. I don't understand it. Mr. Y, I saw you drop that picture. I install, it's working, but I don't understand the settings. It's really, really nice, Mr. Y, especially if you're running OBS and everything else. Why are your alerts going off 3 times on TV? I don't know that one. Okay. Never mind. All right. So, we're back. Hello, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, my jeez. What a disaster.
Yeah.
Getting cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home.
Point 5 is above, so we're looking to go back up.
It's hard to say with the NQ because it's got very mixed signals. The 4-hour is looking pumpy. We have a gap to recover. Looks like it's tearing towards it now. With the 0.5 above. The previous 4-hour has no wick, but we've seen from Friday that doesn't necessarily make a difference. You know, remember we were watching that fucking wick from most of that trade that we were picking. I'd only put the wick on there at 7 o'clock this morning, my time.
This candle is doing some shit, so I don't know.
I'll have to wait for an entry anyway, so it's even the 15 minute has wasn't good because of the previous 2. Right high of day as well. So there is no entry as such running for me yet anyway. Let's see what are we doing on the regression. Yeah, midway, always dangerous. And gold is running like the bejesus.
Yeah, I can't believe I missed this freaking thing. I imagine this was a flipping wick and flip, wasn't it? We were covering this. We closed above. I imagine that's what happened here. I can't freaking believe it.
Yes.
Yeah. Perfect entry, guys. I hope somebody got it. Obviously, I wasn't here to get it, so perfect entry, guys. Sorry. Oh, dang.
Nothing for you to be sorry about. Equipment goes down all the time, man. Sure, I missed it myself.
You should be sorry, reality. I missed out on so much money today.
The perfect entry, sadly.
Help you with this shit.
It was,
Perfect entry.
Again, like I said, previous 1 hour wasn't the entry. Me and Crown was talking about the POC acting as support. And then we got distracted then after the close of that last candle because we were looking between NQ and one thing and the other. So yeah, beautiful move, but still, that's okay. We'll get the next one.
Yep. Got about, what, another hour?
And yes, we had a YouTube issue. I don't know, guys. I can't tell you what the YouTube issue is, but they said they took down the video. I don't know. Very disastrous. I don't know if the video's down. We're going to try to look into it more, but I don't know what we even did wrong. So, but essentially we're in trouble for something. Who knows what? I don't get it. Oh, I guess I could take the mic on thing off, huh?
What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind?
Yeah, there's the move back down on gold. I just don't know if there was there a flip? Oh, hold on a second. 930 would have been there. So yeah, 930 went down and then flipped. Gosh dang it. Very nice, guys. She went down first. You can see that on the 5-minute. For anybody that ever tries to figure that out, all you got to do is go to your time, right? 930 was down wick. See? Down wick candle. Your entry would have been the flip of the 5, essentially, but it would have been the 30-minute flip, right? Same thing. So the entry would have been right here. TP1 would have been the top of the wick, and then you would have ran from there, obviously. Stop loss would have been too big for me, so I wouldn't have took the trade anyway. About 45 ticks. TP1 would have been about 50-ish ticks. And then, obviously, you pushed a little bit past that. Everybody gets it, though. Everybody understands, so. Just so you see it now, right?
I'm still on that trade from last night. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. I opened this trade with 1 micro. So I didn't want to lose. I went with some because I didn't want to lose 50 quid from my drawdown. So that 50 fucking quid stop loss has cost me 14.5 grand. Boy, crack all the are.
That is crazy.
Yeah, again, like I said, it's no big deal. I am enjoying it. I'm still testing the theory for the open, so it's nice to see it run.
Yeah. Okay, there is an issue then.
I can still hear you, Grant. Are you still coming through? Can you hear us?
Hold on a second. Let me see something.
Okay.
I'm confused. Yeah. It's not muting. All right. So I'm going to have to figure it out. It's not muting when I push the mic to.
First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician. Reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns as you've been
Hold on.
watching lines form art while now.
Now is it in the live stream?
Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated
Yeah, there's live stream.
my moves. Speed picks up, more intense delivery. Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind stay elevated, focused, clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing.
Yep. YouTube.
Charts and coffee, yeah, that's my harmony.
For me, okay, there it is there. My problem is my Discord. I see. Okay, so somehow Discord's not muting. I wonder why. Okay. I'll have to figure that out, I guess, here after a bit. For some reason, it's not muting at the Discord side, which I guess doesn't matter. I guess that's not that big of a deal. Because
I usually
really,
only listen to Discord and I mute the live stream because the echo and you're faster on Discord for me.
yeah. Well, the thing is what I normally do is I can mute them all separately to where I can just mute it on OBS and then it doesn't come through Discord. But I don't know that I don't know that that's anything that I actually need. I just set it up that way to set it up that way. The real reason was to make sure that I can mute on the live stream. So like when we're ending and stuff like that, I can talk to you guys during the ending stream and it doesn't come through the live stream. And you guys don't come through the live stream or in the mornings or whatever else. So, and both of those features are still working. It's just I can't mute my mic unless I actually mute my mic on the Discord side. But I can't think of an instance where I would need to mute my mic, you know, and not be able to hear it on Discord. You know, I can't think of any instance that would be anything I'd actually need to do. So it's just a setting that I had because I had it, not because I actually need it for anything. You know what I mean? I'm not real concerned with that side of it anyway.
What am I supposed to do with it? I don't know.
Oh, we may get a second opportunity here, guys.
For the short. Yeah.
Put on a
Sure.
decent... For the short? No, I'm looking long. We could put a decent bottom wick on this candle here and then come up and break the highs. It may not be the worst thing in the world. I'd like to see a decent bottom wick, though. Not much of a bottom wick there. Fair enough for one? 12, I guess you could put a stop just below it.
Just like steam rising up on. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave. But the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper time before you plan to let it brew. Let it brew just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time. Watch it
A little tough, completely up to you guys. The problem is there's really not much of a bottom wick. There comes in a bottom wick. Now let's see if she can break the highs. Now if she can break the highs, what price be? 34.3. About 15 ticks. So yeah, break of the highs there would not be bad. Let's see here. Break of the high there. Is that the break? There we go. Highs broke. There's entry, guys. I'll just take... Oh, I'm not even freaking got my screen showing. Sorry, guys. See if we can get a tap up there. First TP for me. There, if we can get up there. Let me go ahead and take that stop below. I may go ahead and put the stop into profit, guys, only because she is not wanting to break that high there. Oh. Put it in just to secure a bit. Completely up to you guys and how you want to run it from there. Almost hit it. All right.
Oh, wow.
She tried to push up and came right back down.
Ooh.
Yeah. So just a little bit of a win there, guys.
Yeah.
That was quick. That's why I wanted to put the stop into profit. There it is for me. I am
That's
out.
crazy.
Yeah. There's a little bit of a win there. If you're still in, there's nothing wrong with that. It'll probably push up and continue because you're expecting the recovery of this wick. But I was expecting the top wick on this candle right here. So if you're still in it, by all means hold it. You got no reason to get out. I just went in because she was messing around with these highs. So essentially this is where you're looking at your head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So people are trying to short this back down. But will it go through their stops? You know, we hope so. So if you guys are in it, good job. Continue to hold. You should run up here. Manage it as you go, right? Could come up and put a wick on this candle right here. I made like 40 on that. Not enough to even speak about, honestly. You guys go ahead and keep rolling. There should be your TP1, guys. Or close to it because you're putting that top wick on right there. All right. So start securing here.
Whoa, what the hell is that in you?
All right.
Nice trade, I must have, but it was a nice call.
Yeah. I figured we put this on here. When I actually first entered it, I forgot to swap my screen over, which was pretty great, but it's all right. Either way, should go up and tap that wick. I'm sure for you guys that are still in it, this will be where the push should happen. right? We put the top wick on this candle now, testing the top, and now it should push if it's going to. So you should already be TP1, stop should already be in profit. I would try to tighten up my stop a bit here to try to take advantage of that, but that is just me. I mean, I don't know exactly where the entry was. I think it was, I don't remember exactly. And but anyway, you should be 400-ish up, 300, 400 per contract up, I would say, if you've gotten out now. Very good job, guys. Excellent, excellent, as always. If you got out, I mean, maybe you're still holding. I would be out by now. It came down a bit from that. You already had TP1, so completely up to you guys. If you're still holding it, go ahead. We'll talk through it as it goes here.
Two previous daily candles. That was some move.
First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow.
it might push up one more time here, guys, if any of you are still in that position.
As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move. Finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh. This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance.
See if she gets the push this time.
Some see chaos, I see design. Some feel rush, I take my time. In these moments, I refine
I didn't even look at it in queue.
signal.
Oh, we filled the gap. Very nice. That's what we did.
Of knowing when
Lower gap, upper gap. Time to go down.
cup of wisdom.
Yeah, the gap that we just created. Whoa. World just happened. Jeez. The gap that we just created on the open. When we opened for the week, there was a gap.
Mhm.
So we just filled that.
Time to go down. Let's go down, folks. Come on.
Oh, are you short?
No. Yes.
Oh. What does that even mean?
There's a yes and a no. I don't know. Yes, I do know. Come on, girl. Drop for me. Drop for me. Don't you dare do that thing you do where you come back up for no reason. Don't you dare do it.
10 more points on the cards for gold. Very nice, very nice. I don't know if you were here. Did you take the long entry, Sonny? We just had a long on gold. We took the flip of the current candle. Captain Q. All right. No worries. No worries.
Don't do that thing you do. Just drop.
Good to see you. Good to see you. I had to put a second stream up. I had audio issues this morning, and I figured out I did that CC cleaner or whatever it was, Sonny, over the weekend. Like I said, I was going to clean everything up, and somehow it changed the settings on my audio. I don't know how. And then I made it worse by going into OBS and trying to change the settings myself because I thought there was a problem. And I ended up mixing it up even more than it should have been, I think. Yeah, I was glad to fix it too, but it was a disaster. But I've got something else going on too, though. OBS somehow, I don't know if you guys can hear them bing bings. I hope not, but OBS somehow is getting all the Discord notifications coming through OBS. I don't understand why. Never did this before. I can't figure it out.
New settings unlocked.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I can't quite understand it. Is he going to resign? I don't know. He's supposed to be speaking at, I forget what time it was. Hoping maybe we get some movement once he does start speaking. What is 1? So, about 2 hours and 14 minutes. Mr. Y, are you still here? You're still here, right? Yeah. Thank you for everything this morning, by the way. I appreciate you helping.
First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms.
They want to rally. Ah. Oh, there goes my short.
Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow,
Maybe not.
grow with the learning. Each candlestick
Maybe
painting
not.
stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reaching, surely teaching discipline through each rally.
Nope.
In these quiet hours,
She's taking my short.
share our dance. Numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom setting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seem in lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth, sip and study slowly. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light.
Man, it's the first time I've seen you actually throw a trade up on the screen, reality. Today.
Yeah, normally I'm not.
And it wasn't one for my magic tricks.
I'm normally not in a position where, I mean, if you notice there, unfortunately, I'll be honest with you why I did it. If you notice, I didn't put the P&L on the trading view. that's why I had enough time to open the trade myself. If I would have been on all the social media platforms and I would have been trying to trade for them, like I try to every time I'm trading, I wouldn't have took the trade. I would have instead drew it up. But since I know that really all I had was you guys here from the Discord, I mean, we've got 4 viewers on YouTube. Well, it just went up to 6, but there was only 4 a minute ago. That means only the people from the Discord essentially were there. So I told you guys the break of the high after we put on the wick. So you guys already knew it. There was nothing that I had to draw up. So I just went ahead and opened the trade on my NinjaTrader. But when I'm trying to coach along everybody on all the social media platforms, I can't do that. You don't know how many people, and Paul, I don't know if Paul's still here. I think he is, but Paul,
I'm here.
Yeah, he knows. He's heard the people sit here and comment back. They're like, well, I didn't know where do you enter at? Where's the stop loss at? What's this? What's that? And when you have to do everything on screen for everybody that's watching, I don't have time to open the trade too. I mean, the trades don't work like that. It's quicker than that normally. So since I knew we didn't have any following on any of the live streams because I had to shut down and then restart, I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and open it on Ninja. You guys already know which one, you guys already know what I'm saying. So, and you can follow along with the trade as we go. So that's why I took the trade myself. But you're absolutely right, Crown. I normally don't have the opportunity during the live stream to open the trade myself along with getting everybody in the trades. That's the problem. So I learned that about 1.5 years ago, and even everything I did from then to about 6-8 months ago still wasn't enough, because what I was doing was showing the trades. I'd say, okay, if we break this high, we're going long, and I'd do that so that I could try to get in my trade as well as quickly as I could if I could. And I had another guy that came in and said that I had to put these these things right here up, because if I don't put these up, then whoops, and I still didn't put it up. If I don't put these up, then people don't know what they're supposed to be doing. So I'm supposed to put these up and put your stop loss and all these good things so that when the trade enters, everybody understands where they're supposed to be at on it. So I started doing that, and that's just another, you see how quick I am at it. Not very quick. So it's just another thing that added to the fact that I just can't take the trades myself as well. So that's where the issue comes in at, because by the time I did all that, then I minimize this, and then I drop my pin to get involved, by the time I do all these things, the trade had already moved and I'd already missed it. So
forget everybody else. Just say Crown needs to see this way, I just jump in my trade, show him what I'm doing, and it's all good. Forget everybody. Thank you, greedy bastard. Yes. Sorry. It wasn't a jab at you. It was just me messing around.
If everybody turned up every day like we do, reality wouldn't have to draw up all that shit.
Yes.
They'd simply say, this is where we're at. We all know what we're looking for. That would be allow him to get in as well as us. People don't realise the fact, I'm sitting here glued and listening to you. So you're doing all of the talking, all of the other stuff. So it's not surprising that you don't get an entry on it, because I can barely get an entry and I'm fucking laser focused. So I understand. But again, realistically, if people need to show up every day, that's just the only way of doing it.
Yep. I agree with you there, Paul, 100%. That's how it should be. If everybody showed up every day, they wouldn't be so confused about what's going on, because it's super simple. When we take these entries, it's super simple. This candle came in, put on a little bottom wick. I think it was, I don't remember what it was, not a lot. Then it came back up, put on a little bitty top wick, and then came back down, put on a steeper bottom wick, and I said, if we break the highs, I'm going to enter. It was real simple, because now we had a bottom wick. It wasn't huge, but it was enough. I think it's like 15 ticks, I think is what I measured out, and 15's fine. If it's over about 10, I'll call it. You know what I mean? Yeah. 14, 15 ticks, yeah. And there's the high tap that we were looking for initially. So if anybody's still in the position, which I doubt you are, but if you are, there's the tap to the high. Let's see if she pushes here. That should have put you up like, I think 500 per contract, something like that, guys, from the original position. If you held it that long, I personally never would have. I think it came back like 25 on you. So I'm not going to let something come back 25 ticks on me, but I know everybody trades different, so no time for other people. Yeah, just shame. I mean, I kind of am here for others, though. That's kind of what I show up for every day. But I agree with Paul. Unfortunately, if people would do what they're supposed to and show up and understand what's going on here, you wouldn't have to hold their hand through every trade. You know, you could actually roll on from that. Other people need to put in the time. Yes.
Hold my hand and walk me straight through the trade. What you talking about? Come on, sweetheart, come on down.
The sad thing is all the
Mine's still
regulars
short.
that are here all the time, they know it. You know what I mean? Sonny knows what he's doing. Paul knows what he's doing. Me into the woods, I assume he does as well. I mean, I don't want to just speculate, but I assume he knows what I'm talking about when I enter as well. Who else we got here? Awesome Voids actually isn't taking any trades. I don't assume. I think he's actually working and just showing his screen. And Mr. Y, he knows exactly what we got going on. He's been to more streams than I can even tell you. So he knows what's going on as well.
Nice.
Close of there.
Yep.
I can't tell what she wants to do.
Yep. Watching and written.
Yeah, 11. I probably won't mess with it. What is the... Look how sideways that 800 is. My gosh.
Yep. I've been sitting here trying not to press the buy market button reality. I'm telling you, I am foaming out here.
I do not blame you.
Yeah,
15 ticks. There's another 15 tick wick. The problem is, I'm telling you, with this 800, if you were just looking at the hour, this actually wouldn't be a bad position. But I got to tell you, I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to the 800 on this one and say I'm gonna wait, because I bet you it just stays sideways. So I would not be taking a trade here.
Check the 1 minute reality on Trading View just for a laugh. Really see what it looks like.
Yeah, same thing. Go sideways. So I would not be getting involved here, guys. Again, completely up to you. 30-minute looks fine. 1 hour looks fine for an entry. You could have took the flip there, but I bet you sit in it for the rest of the afternoon. I mean, I shouldn't say that, but you're probably going to sit in it for a while to recover this wick. Now, I could be completely wrong. Maybe she goes up and recovers right now and is done with, but it's only 35 ticks on top of all of it. So, I'm not saying that's bad, but in the current sideways condition that the 800 looks like, I am not going to mess with it. So, I'm staying out. I'm not going to trade it. Anybody got any questions today, guys?
Can you do a magic trick on the sim account?
What'd you say, Crown? I'm sorry. I missed it.
Can you do a magic trick on the sim account?
I don't, probably not. Probably not right now. It's not really doing anything either. MQ's not really moving.
That's what I'm saying. Do a magic trick.
Yeah, I'll be here all day trying to.
Like, make it move, reality. Put a magic box on there. Tell it to go somewhere.
Mm-hmm. I don't think it's going to.
15 is a wick on the Nasdaq. There is no entry here yet. Even on the 30, there's no wick. There's no wick on the hour worth talking about. We're already past the 0.5 of the wick off that candle, that wick that we're looking at. So it's up a coin time at the stage of the game. I would say maybe if we wait to the afternoon like we did on Friday, let her do her thing first, then see if we can grab something.
Problem is, I think she did most of what she needed to do already.
That
Big
could
move
also,
up.
yeah, but again, you know yourself, for every big move up, what happens then? Big move
There was
down.
a big move down, and she did that too.
Let me see here. Mm-hmm.
And then what'd she do? She came right back up again. So she did 3 moves already. It's basically 8:30.
True. So, what you gonna do? Sweep the range again, maybe?
Go sideways and piss everybody off for a couple hours, then choose a direction.
I would imagine so.
I think naked, Sonny.
No, I'm usually wearing clothes when I trade. What are you talking about?
We're talking about turtle.
Turtle.
But it might be dead.
Scoop.
But doesn't have a shell.
And some of them have soft shells.
Yeah, I think
I don't know.
there is something to that. Paul, I believe, because we've got these tortoises here. There's some kind of tortoise, gopher tortoises, and I think they're kind of endangered or something. And they will get hit by cars. Like cars will try to go over them, and it'll like crack their shell. And the vet clinics take them in, and then they re-fiberglass the shell in order to protect them. So I think you're right. I think there is some kind of something to that, as to where they have to have a shell. I think, yeah, believe so. I think you're right.
Are they deliberately running over them, or is it just accidents?
No, what it is people will, like, you see the turtle in the road, right? And what people will try to do is put it through the middle of their car so that they don't run it over, and they'll end up hitting the top of the shell anyway. So like their car, like, you know, the transmission that hangs down or the rear end or something will actually catch the shell, and people don't realize that they can't drive over them. So that's essentially what happens. And then the vet clinics, what they do is they'll have holes in the shell or cracks in the shell and stuff like that, and then they'll fiberglass them to fix them and then return them back to the wild.
Excellent. I love that.
Yeah.
What a positive story to end the stream. What a very positive story.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that.
You know, Paul, if they just ended up giving them that green slimy stuff, it'd be all good.
Or
And
people
they'd all
don't
be
drive
kicking
over
the shit out of everybody. Bunch of ninjas running around with shells on their backs, kicking the shit out of everybody. I'd be like, yeah, man.
them. That only happens in Hollywood.
Well, I'm still waiting. I think we're almost there. They just brought back a dinosaur, so I think we're gonna get there soon.
You really want to get there, though?
You don't?
No. I find that the simpler life is, the less problems there is. That's just me.
Dude,
I don't really want
I want to see
dinosaurs running
mutant
around the place.
dogs.
Hey?
I want to see mutant dogs. I want to see all kinds of craziness.
Mutant dogs, fuck. I see a mutant dog walk down fucking like crack alley.
Mutant dogs and giant turtles and all kinds of crazy shit.
We have
I'm
enough
down.
fucking mutants, we have enough human mutants running around to do us. We don't need any more.
Yeah, but now imagine if we're no longer the apex. Now we got turtles that know how to use assault rifles.
No, I'm happy enough with the current structure of things.
I don't know, I get a sexy ninja female turtle that puts me in a leash. Wait, are we still on stream?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, damn it. Now my stream's gonna have me talking all this crazy.
That's probably why we got censored. Talking about
jeez.
turtles.
I have no idea what happened, Paul. I still can't figure it out. Like I said, I don't get it. I have no reasoning that anything should have been, and yet they I guess they gave us a strike. I think they took the video down, and I don't know what live stream it even was. I don't know if it's Friday. I don't know what happened. The wife's going to try to reach out to them, but I guess they're unhappy with us. I don't know what. Did you see that, Sonny? I don't even know if you saw it. I will drop it in your DMs.
Maybe it was music. Maybe they accidentally assumed that some of the music that you were playing, even though it's all your own stuff, maybe they thought, or the AI caught it and thought it was somebody else's copyrighted music. That could be a possibility.
I don't think so. Not with what it says.
No.
Not with what their thing says. I don't think so. No, it would have said copyright issues, and it'll put a little copyright thing beside the live stream.
Yeah.
They'll take it down and then send me an email. Like if the music was a problem right now, what would happen is they'd shut the live stream down, and then they'll send me an email and say that they shut the live stream down because we were using copyrighted music.
Okay, then. It's not that then. Okay.
No.
Oh no,
No.
the message was completely about reality scamming people.
Yeah, that's sure what it sounded like to me.
I was like, bullshit.
Has to be an algorithmic thing.
It had to have been somebody. Maybe somebody complained. I just don't get it.
Do you reckon?
I don't know why anybody would have complained, but maybe somebody did. I mean, I don't know. I don't get it.
I mean, we talk a lot about the word scam on here. I mean, we use that word a lot, but what we're doing is we're educating each other about the scams that are out there. But again, I don't understand what the fuck, because of all channels, not fucking interweb. It's like,
Exactly. I don't understand any of it. Like I said, the wife took the ticker off the bottom just in case that's some kind of issue, because she tried to set up again for monetization, because everybody keeps on saying, well, monetize the channel. You know, you should be able to monetize the channel. We've got plenty of people. You should be able to monetize. They turned it down again. So she took off the shorts that we had that were controversial. For you guys that were here in the beginning, you remember the government controversial type shorts. There was some about emotional support weapons and stuff like that. So those were taken down, and now she's removed the ticker, and I guess we'll see if that makes a difference or not. Like I said, I don't really care about it as much as she does, but at the same time, I get the point too. If we're monetized, more people will show up. There'll be more people that attend and everything else, more than likely, because the algorithm will push it if they can, monetize us and run ads on the channel. Now they'll start pushing the content out because they're getting revenue off of it. So I get the point. It's just, I don't know why it's such a issue for us. I don't understand why YouTube dislikes us so bad.
maybe they're
Because you're not making them any money.
Yeah.
If you can't make them money, but you're helping other people make money, that's a problem.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Did you get that DM, son? Oh, you wrote me back. Never mind. Yeah. Last night, Sonny, is when that came through. Hopefully you're still here on the stream. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it came through last night. I don't know. Came through 11 hours ago. And I don't know what they're even referring to. We have absolutely no idea. And even Jashim asked, well, do you have the disclaimer? And yes, we have a disclaimer. If you look at the description on the YouTube, we have the disclaimer because that's what it says we should have. So if you go all the way down to the bottom, it says disclaimer, this content is the content in this video for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Some of the links in the description are affiliate links. If you use these links to buy something, I may earn a commission at no extra charge to you. GFTC rule 4.41. It's got the whole rule on there because that's what they said we were supposed to put on here when we asked AI. So we did everything we're supposed to my understanding. I don't know.
Strange one.
Yeah, it is. It doesn't. This isn't the first time we got shut down. I don't know if you remember that, Paul, but we actually got shut down. They completely took the channel away about a year and a half ago, something like that. They completely shut down the entire channel and removed all the content. And they never gave a reason as to why that was either.
That's weird.
Yeah, we appealed that one, and instead of giving us a reason, they were like, "Oh, never mind," and they let the channel come back up. It made no sense. Never gave us a reason. Never told us why it was shut down. Never said anything that we were, accused of anything. Nothing. Just that's it. So I don't know. That's when I started Rumble because I figured that at least we'd have a backup for all the content if it were to happen again. Sure don't want to lose everything.
Oh, there's a lot of work, a lot of videos.
Yeah.
Do you still have all the really old stuff? Do you remember whenever you used to draw out the lines with the no trade zone? People don't realize how much your TA has evolved over the last couple of years as well. I mean, I've seen it. Yep. We've changed a lot. It was really funny because somebody came in. I don't know if you saw that, but somebody came into the educational channel. I didn't get it till late for whatever reason, but they came in and asked what the white lines were. If that's where I look for my trades and how I come up with the white lines. And I'm like, man, I didn't say that they hadn't been to a live stream as of lately, but they must not be to a live stream as of lately because those lines are long past. If they would have been at the live streams, they wouldn't have to be asking me questions in the education channel because we go over all of it here every day. I keep telling these people here, show up. Here's the place to be. But I don't know. But people, nobody wants to put on the work reality. It's simple as that.
Yep, that's the crazy part, though. So crazy to me.
Quick question. What are those white lines on the screen?
Yeah. They're not even there is the problem. There are no white lines today. I used to have those, though, Crown. I don't know if you were here all the way back then, but I used to have my actual...
no.
Buy above.
Sorry, I just realized.
Sell below lines, yeah.
Yeah, no, sorry. I just realized those are the candles. Never mind.
I got you. Oh, man. All right. Let me see. What do we got today?
Good question.
Left 4 Dead is the premiere today. Gotcha.
Oh, snap.
12, right? 12 p.m. Yep. Yeah. So we have a premiere coming up. The Saturday video. Buy above, sell below. I remember that. Yep, Sonny. Yeah. Yep, that's how I used to do it, and I don't do it that way anymore because we've changed. The last video, Saturday's video, Off the Edge, is the best performing video now. It done took the top. I don't know why. It's
More people
fine.
are watching.
Yeah,
Algorithms been nice to you.
yeah. For whatever reason, that video is top currently. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know how many of you caught it. I know you did, Crown, because you commented, so I know you caught that video, but we'll see how it continues to perform. But it's got 239 views. So not bad.
Damn.
Not bad. Yeah, the Love Me Dead's 230. So it just pulled past that, which is kind of funny because it's only got 8 likes. To where Love Me Dead's got 20. 10 comments. You assume that, I mean, there's a lot more activity that went on in that one, so you assume they'd push it harder. I don't know. I'm not sure how the algorithms work. Guess we'll see as time goes here, but has anybody got any questions, guys? I am probably going to get out of here for now.
No,
Any-
I mean, you still haven't done that thing on NQ. You still haven't put the magic box to tell it where to go.
I don't even think that NQ's moving. Yeah, it's not. Look, here's where NQ is. If you want your box, right here's what you're trading. See there?
Beat me to it.
Right here's what we're
No,
trading.
no. Don't tell me where we're trading. Tell me where it's going.
Tell you where it's going. Well, it's got to get out of this area to do anything, sadly.
Yeah.
Box. So until we get out of there, you're really doing nothing. What do we got? There's a box. Yeah. Let's see what you got, Paul.
It's like you do a box
Yep.
to keep me trapped. What kind of nonsense is that?
That's to stop us from making a bad mistake and pressing the buy or sell button too early.
Yep.
Oh
Yep.
man.
That's what that box is there for, crowd. You know, at the stage of the game.
Don't do that. Don't trap me. Tell me to go in a direction. Say press sell here and watch it drop.
A reality, they were well proud of us there last Friday. The both of us walked away at exactly the same time. It was about 9:45 my time. And
Yeah.
I had said to the crowd, I said, do you know what, man, I'm getting a wild dose of FOMO here. I have to do something silly. And he goes, yeah, me too. So we just decided, do you know what, we'll both log off at the same time and save our dry powder. So we walked away. What a...
And that was that retarded handshake from The Simpsons about.
It was, right? We still did it.
Yeah. It's like,
Still on the
man,
hunt for today.
that FOMO shit was crazy. It's like,
Wasn't
come on. You know what?
Yeah. Come on.
Don't do
I'll
it.
leave me as well.
Yeah. And I think I just lost my account. Yep.
Where? When? No?
That's not good, man.
No, a few minutes ago.
What were you doing?
I said I was in a short. I was in ES and a short, and she just kept
Yes.
Yeah, she kept being a. But the way it's looking now, it's like she wants to go up and hit previous day high. If she decides to go up and hit previous day high, then she's gonna take NQ along for the ride. And NQ is gonna break the roof.
No, definitely wasn't been short on this market.
I wanted a short so bad. I'm like, come
I
on
know.
back down.
That's the time you really shouldn't take any trades, whenever you feel like you really should. Because I've noticed that in myself, where I'm so convinced that it's going short, that I get blindness. I see a blind spot, or I don't see the blind spot, and I get taken out. So that's why I'm trying to stay away from this box that we just drew. There's nothing to do. Yeah, the
That's
afternoon.
500 down and 500 up. If you keep repeating it, it'd be nice. But I know at some point I'm gonna enter. He's gonna be like, "Oh, I'm tired now." They're gonna go higher or go lower.
Like I said, there's a whole afternoon to look forward to and the usual last couple of trades. So I'm holding on to my dry powder. I'm still looking at gold. That 402, 403 is like a fucking iron curtain to the price so far. So we're going to have to watch it now for another while. Even the 4 hours struggling at it.
I'm gonna probably take the rest of the afternoon off if this is the case, just to kind of
No worries.
not do my nonsense. Because if I sit here and do this and watch, I know what I'm gonna do.
Well, see,
gonna
the flip side of that is that doesn't help with discipline. Or if you can sit at a computer for multiple hours and not do anything, that'll make a massive difference to your discipline. I've noticed that myself. I'm sitting here and it's like I said, I wouldn't put it far off from being a crack addict. You were sitting there itching to do something, but I find, personally speaking, that slow exposure works for me because I have all the same emotions that you have, as you know. We've both been here when we've done exceptionally stupid things.
What are you trying to say?
See you later, Sonny.
Hi, Sonny.
Sounds like you're calling me a retard, Paul.
Not at all. I would be now calling myself a retard as well.
You know, I'm such a retard. I didn't even realize that that's what was happening there. No, I got my niece over, so I'm probably gonna go and head out in a little bit. Yeah, with her while she's here, and I'll pick up trading again probably this afternoon, if not this evening.
I will probably be about. Well, I will be about for that whole thing as well. So, have a good afternoon or a good morning, or whatever time it is with you, man.
Yep, you guys too. I'm gonna jump off here as well. I'm gonna shut down the stream. So, have a good one, everybody. Awesome. I will see you all tomorrow morning or at the premiere this afternoon, whatever you're doing.
Yeah, later today, where you jump back in the same room and talk to us.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I could text on the live chat if there's anything going on here in a bit.
Happy days.
I mean, yeah, I was thinking more like the end of the day thing. Just
back
in Discord and be like, hey guys.
I can live chat it. That's what I've been doing, is running it on live chat. Because you guys are there anyway.
Oh no, not texting live chat though. Jump in and talk.
Okay. Do you understand that when I talk I can't do anything else? You know how much this just kills me? I just got to be honest with you. You have any idea how hard this is for me?
Yes.
Oh, no. You mean this whole thing where you're telling us what to do and explaining things?
No. That I can't do anything else. You realize I can't make any music. I can't upload any videos. I can't work on DaVinci. I can do nothing. All I can do is sit here and talk on a mic. It's like tying my hands and feet, and I can't do anything. That's where I'm at during the whole live open mic, and you're asking me to do it for another 2 hours after the 2 hours that I already spend.
2 hours?
Yes, I open mic at 9, and I open mic at 9.
No, I'm not asking you to do it for 2 hours. I'm asking you to do it
when I get in there. It normally takes 2 to 3 hours, sometimes even more. Because I can't ever get out of there. Everybody wants to continue to talk, and I can't do anything else.
You mean you start enjoying the conversation and having fun? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I don't have time for that.
Yeah, it's time to carry on. Fuck that shit. There's money in music to be made, man. I'm with you in that one, reality.
He said, I don't want to come in here and shit talk with you. What the hell?
Exactly. I'd be making fucking the money in the music myself if I was in the same situation, so.
All right, guys.
All right,
I'm getting out of here. I'll log on to live chat, like I said, probably for the thing, and just run algo there. It doesn't matter. It's not like anybody else is actually paying attention or following along anyway, except for the people that are in the live.
Here. No worries, my man. Have a good afternoon, and I'll catch you later on.
Yeah, and Pal's speaking at 1, so if anything happens there, we'll check that too. But anyway, all right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, no competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Checkmate, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, that mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Ay, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make it, said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating. every day. LearnTradeWin, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves, that's how we do it.
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go. All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, cold and precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply and D. Charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid, getting paid. Bring.
charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick. Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, building verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community, backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't cards till they knew my name. This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.